Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 15 Explorer Limited. Did come out of Arizona, that's why you see some of that, the heat crack some of that clear coat there. So you see a few little of them chicken feet or stars or whatever. Rest of the body's in pretty good shape. Leather seats are in good shape. Just a little over 100,000 on it. 7-passenger. These are really nice, they're really roomy. This is the one thing wrong, the seam has come apart on that. You see that on these Explorers when they get some age on them. Little crack right there. Bumper's got a few little indentations from people setting stuff on them. Just what they do on plastic bumpers. Everybody likes to set their suitcase and whatever they're loading from Walmart on there. But like I said, a few little rock chips, but not bad. And it's from Arizona, so it isn't rusty. There's no corrosion on them wheels. Just a nice, affordable Explorer. 4-wheel drive, ready to get you through the winter and haul you around in the summer to baseball games or whatever. 605-692-7010.